A refund. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get refund from Xsolla. So let's get started. The process is very simple. First, you will check if you're eligible or not. Make sure your purchase meets Xsolla's refund policy such as items not received, duplicate purchase, or faulty or defective product. Then, if you are eligible, log into Xsolla Wallet, go to your Xsolla Wallet and ensure the purchase appears in your purchases section. If not, manually add the purchase. Now, submit refund request. Use the refund form in your wallet to request a refund. If you cannot add the purchase, email their support service for help. For physical products, return the item unused and in original packaging to the provided return address. You will need to cover the return shipping cost yourself. So let's talk about the processing time. Refunds are usually sent to the original payment method within up to 10 days. Refunds are not available for activated software or games. Minted NFTs use digital content. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get refund from Xsolla.